Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Kotak Mahindra Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Kotak Mahindra Bank account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address kotak.com and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of Kotak Mahindra Bank, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for you. Click on that, and after that on this page you'll be landed where you'll be required to either enter your CRN number or your username number or your card number to begin. I'll be just entering my username, and after that enter your captcha, which are the text given over here. You can see these text you shall input because it will verify that's human and not a robot. And after entering these text correctly, click on the next button, and after that enter your password over here guys, whichever may it be. And after that click on the secure login button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Kotak Mahindra Bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Kotak Mahindra Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.